Hi guys, welcome to Feifei's Chinese Self-Study Room. Here we are learning Phase 4 of Preschool Class Topic 2, Strokes and Calligraphy. In this lesson, we will focus on na, right fallen stroke, a key stroke that pairs with the left fallen stroke, 撇, to form the wings of Chinese characters. It extends downward to the right, balancing the left fallen stroke and giving characters a stable and elegant structure. A well-written right fallen stroke can make Chinese characters look open and lively. The right fallen stroke includes three typical types: 斜捺, slanting right fallen stroke; 平捺, horizontal right fallen stroke; 反捺, reverse right fallen stroke. Each type has distinct writing characteristics and plays a unique role in shaping Chinese characters. 斜捺, slanting right fallen stroke. This is the most common form of the right fallen stroke, slanting distinctly downward to the right. When writing, start with a light brush press. Gradually increase pressure as you move diagonally right and down. Then lift the brush slightly at the end to form a sharp, elegant tip. This is the perfect match for the slanting left falling stroke, 斜撇, creating a symmetrical and balanced look for characters. Example characters. We revisit the characters we learned earlier, 人 and 右, both of which use the slanting right fallen stroke as their final stroke. The new character is 八, meaning 8. All these characters rely on the combination of left falling and slanting right falling strokes to form their basic structure. 平捺, horizontal right fallen stroke. As the name suggests, this stroke is much flatter than the slanting right fallen stroke, extending almost horizontally to the right with the gentle downward tilt. It is often used as the bottom stroke of a character, acting like a base to support the whole character. When writing, start with a small pause. Glide the brush steadily to the right, slightly down. Widen the stroke a little in the middle. Then lift the brush to form a soft tip. Example character, 知 meaning of, to, a common particle indicating pressure, position, or direction. The first stroke of this character is 点, dot stroke, which we will learn in the next lesson. 反捺, reverse right fallen stroke, also known as the dot right fallen stroke. This type is shorter and more restrained than the other two right fallen strokes. It has no obvious sharp tip and ends with a firm pause instead of a lift. When writing, start lightly, increase pressure as you move right and down. Then press the brush down and retract it slightly at the end. No outward stroke. It adds a compact and stable feel to characters. Example character, 不 or 否. A polyphonic character, meaning 不 no, not. The most common pronunciation for negation, 否 deny, a less common pronunciation, equivalent to another character, 否 Homework. Write each example character, 人、又、八、之、不 20 times carefully, following the writing rules of each right fallen stroke we learned today. Pay attention to the different angles and rhythms of the slanting, horizontal, and reverse right fallen strokes, and take note of the dot stroke that will be covered in our next lesson for 之